Hi there, it's Matt from accuRx here, demonstrating a new feature in accuBook which enables you to search for an individual patient to invite them to your COVID-19 vaccination clinics. So I've logged into chain.accurx.com here and click on my practice to take me to the Manage Practice page. In here I can see the options in the accuBook product. I'm going to invite patients and manage bookings, and then I'm going to invite an individual by clicking here. So I scroll down past the previously existing NHS number and date of birth search, and we're going to use the patient demographic search instead. I'm going to invite my example patient, who's actually a little young for the vaccine cohort, but the first ones, but they're fine for our purposes. And I'm going to find them, and I'm going to scroll down to see that they have indeed been returned in our search. I can choose to send them a mobile invite or not to by unchecking this box. And then all I need to do is click Book Now. It takes me back to the inviting patient screen, where you can see that the example patient now has an invitation.